Hi there. I'm Karen. This is my son Bryn.
Good to meet you. Hello.
We've been planning a trip to Vietnam since years. This is a very special trip for us.
And are you kidding? The people, the countryside, Vietnam as a whole. We went to Hanoi first. We've been to mountains. We've seen rice paddy fields.
Ninh Binh.
We've met local people, but I think overall everyone's just been
amazing.
Lovely, no?
Started off in Hanoi and also to Ninh Binh. We've just come off this morning from being on a boat in Hanoi Bay, which was amazing. The whole trip has been a dream that Bryn and I have been planning since a long time.
For years.
Basically, I never normally go with a company. I normally just do things. This is a very special trip for us, but the company, like sometimes you don't know who to go with, but from the moment we discovered Vivutravel, they've been fantastic. We first of all got in touch with them, and straight away our wonderful person Kim was looking after us, and she's from the first moment she was in touch with us. As soon as I would email, I got a response, not pushy, just giving us the information. So professional, couldn't have been more wonderful.
Clear, direct. Kind of,
and the trip is.
And aside from the company as a whole, I think we've had the most amazing guides that we ever could have dreamed of. Tuan and
I. Well, Tuan was waiting for us at the airport because I was a bit nervous. You know, you're going somewhere different, and but Tuan was there with our names waiting, and from the first moment, Tuan was there waiting for us. Hai was our driver, and so we've been with them for a week now, and it's like they've become our friends. Every detail is thought of, even down to everything. There's always like water. The car that is amazing. Everything is comfortable, professional, but it's the warmth and so genuine. It's not just the company. They're
not just
amazing.
These guys, but the country as a whole.
Yeah. I mean,
I couldn't recommend them.
I think enough. Anybody going to Vietnam, I would recommend that you should go with Vivutravel. We love them.